Need a quick and flexible way to earn? Shiftsmart lets you pick up short shifts, typically to 2 to 4 hours, in industries like retail convenience, hospitality, or product testing, often with big name brands in your area. You choose when and where to work, and you'll know the pay, location, and responsibilities you'll have before accepting. Now, what makes Shiftsmart stand out is its fast pay model. You often get paid within days, not weeks, plus fewer restrictions, flexibility to learn varied skills, and even access to premium shifts that can pay up to $30 an hour after proving your reliability. On the downside, reliability varies. Some workers report bugs in the app, difficulty securing shifts, and support that can be unresponsive at times. Payment hiccups also come up occasionally, missing hours, delayed payouts, or confusion when clockings go awry. Here's what real users have to say. Shiftsmart is legit. I have done 16 shifts at $13 an hour doing warehouse stuff. Another said payouts do come within days of completing a shift, but others warn, app is buggy, can't schedule, turned away from shifts and didn't get paid. So all in all, Shiftsmart can be a solid option if you value flexibility, fast pay for a gig-style short shift, especially when you're in a pinch, but keep your expectations grounded. App glitches, shift availability, and inconsistent support may trip you up.